What's going on, guys? It's your boy Vibes bringing you a brand new video on Bitcoin. So guys, as you've seen, the last couple days have been quite interesting for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin go down to 43k, and we had this little rally going down after this descending looking type of channel here, or you could call it a falling wedge. You call it a falling wedge, you could call it a descending channel, but this downward structure we broke out of. This is definitely looking bullish, but you guys have to keep in mind, we did have a big rejection here at 52.5k. And this is totally normal because this was a key area where I actually expected a lot of rejection in this area, which we did reject, and now we're seeing some downwards momentum. But what I do see happening, guys, on some type of micro level is this does look like some type of Elliott wave here. And this looks like we just finished our fifth wave. So I could see some type of correction down to maybe 48.9 thousand, somewhere around here in this area. And if we can't hold that, then I could see maybe 47.8. So guys, Bitcoin is in a very crucial stage, as I've stated in many other videos. If we do bounce off here, I could see another 5 wave up rally going like this to somewhere around 56k or 57k. But this is where things are going to get quite interesting, okay? Because the market right now is in a very, I wouldn't say it's in a very dangerous state, but I feel like it's in a very worrisome state, because this whole pump here, I believe personally, is kind of being pumped up artificially. You know, you see Tether printing all this money, you see people FOMOing. This right here, guys, can be the fall of Bitcoin medium term. I could see this potentially happening here, guys. We see some 5 wave rally here up to 56k, and when we break 52.5k, I could see this potentially being a place where many retail investors start FOMOing. And when that happens, guys, we need to pay close, very close attention to this level here, because if this level does not break and we get rejected here, okay, I could see us going very down. I could see us going very down, believe me. And that's something I hope doesn't happen for the sake of all the retail investors and bulls. But the thing right now is many people are holding on to their long positions because they think that we're just going to keep going up. And when we get into this range here again, many people are going to have that mindset of, we're going to 60k, we're going to 100k, we're going to 70k. And when you start having that mentality, I'm telling you, these whales have a bigger plan. I'm not trying to scare anybody. I'm not trying to tell you that we're not going to break this area. But what I am telling you is you need to be extremely cautious, because I do believe if we hold this level, we will break this 52.5 and go to 55, probably 56k, I would say. I could see a rally up to here after we see a small correction. And this is where you need to pay extremely close attention to whether we hold this new level of support at around 52,500 and then we go up, or we have a big rejection here. I could see this going extremely down and going to a place where no one wants it to go. So that's my thought on Bitcoin, guys. I do see this continuing to go up, but you need to be extremely cautious in this type of area, because this area, once we break 52,500, guys, there's going to be a lot of FOMOing in this area for sure, because many people are going to think this is the bottom. And when people have that type of mentality where, oh, this is the bottom, and we're in this range of 50, 60,000, it's a dangerous place to have that mentality. If I go on the daily, if we can hold this EMA and close the next day above this EMA, I do see this being a very good sign to make that push up to 56K. This daily candle closes in 15 minutes and it is looking good, but the next 48 hours I would be extremely cautious, especially if we hit this area 56,000, because I've shown you guys this chart before. This chart could be in the books here. This chart could be in the books, guys. I don't want to scare you guys, but this is definitely a possibility. The psychology, everyone thinks we're going to 100K. Everyone. And this is something you just need to be very careful of, guys, because when the whole market is euphoric and everyone thinks that we're just going to keep going up and up and up and up and up, that's when things might get scary. I do believe that we're just in a place of uncertainty in terms of whether we want to go up or down. This is just something to keep your eyes out, guys, to make sure that you don't get caught up here in complacency if this is the case, because I don't want any of you guys to lose money. I just want you guys to be cautious, set your stop losses. If you are going long, you're chasing here, and then we do take a pullback, I would just set your stop losses, guys. And every time we go up, just set your stop losses and profit, okay? Because not until we clear this $56,000 area would I see us making a rally to all-time highs, maybe 60,000, 75,000. But until we clear this $56,000 area, this chart here looks like this to me, guys. This chart here 100% looks like this to me. And I just really hope that this isn't the case. You know, I hope that we continue going up, but I'm going to be extremely cautious trading Bitcoin and all the altcoins, because I could see this falling extremely hard, even dropping down to 28K. So I really hope that's not the case, but it is definitely a possibility, because the last time we tested this 200 EMA was back in the 10,000 range is where we pretty much tested it. And before that, it was in the $8,000 range. So you just see this huge impulsive move up here, guys. You see this huge move up. That's when things get scary, guys. I hope that if this is a pullback, we do retest this 55 moving average at around 42,000, maybe wick down to 40,000 or even 38, and then we go up. But guys, this is a scary area to be in, and I don't want to scare you guys, but I just want to inform you guys to be very cautious on your long and short-term trades. It's just a scary area. There's a lot of euphoria in the market. There's a lot of news that's driving up the prices. Tether is printing, and that is also causing the prices to go up. So when things like this happen, guys, you just need to be extremely cautious on entering and exiting positions. So that concludes the video today, guys. I hope that you liked it. If you did, smash that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.